Good morning, students. So today we are going to solve textbook exercise for your chapter number 11, articles from your grammar textbook. So take a pencil in your hand, open your textbooks and start solving the exercise with me. Go to page number 51, exercise A. Write A or N before the following nouns. Okay, so these are nouns given and you have to write what will come, whether it will be a cake or an cake. So let us start. First is cake. So the first letter is C. C is a consonant. So before consonant, what do we write? We write A. Okay, so we will write a cake. Second, Easter egg. See, E is a vowel. So before vowel, what do we write? N. So an Easter egg. Okay. Honest man. Listen to what I am saying. Okay. Pronunciation. Honest. So here we ignore the H sound. We don't say honest. We say honest. So the sound of O. Honest man. Then and O is an vowel. Okay, so before vowel what do we put? We put N. An honest man. Okay, so you have to keep this also in mind. If you are keeping the sound of an alphabet silent, you have to put the articles according to the sound of the starting alphabet. Fourth one, bell. B-E-L-L. Sound of a consonant. B is a consonant. A bell. Okay. Fairy. F is a consonant. So what will be the answer here? A fairy. Okay. So 5 I have solved for you. 5 you are going to solve. So let us go to exercise B. Fill in the blanks with A or N. Okay. Let us start. Similar exercise. Okay. Can you see dash old lady crossing the road? So what is the answer? O is a vowel. Old lady. O sound of an vowel. Okay. O is a vowel. So what will be the answer? An old lady. Can you see an old lady crossing the road? Okay. Usha is dash fast runner. So fast, F, F is a consonant. So answer will be A. Usha is a fast runner. Third one, I will place dash order for the book. Alright. So O is a vowel. Okay. Sound of O. Vowel. So what will be the answer? Before vowel what do we put? A-N, N. I will place an order for the book. Ruby is dash brave child. B is a consonant. So before consonant we put A. So Ruby is a brave child. Fifth one. Do you know how to make dash eggless cake? C. Eggless. E is a vowel. Okay. So before vowel what do we put? We put A-N-N. So do you know how to make an eggless cake? Alright. Here again I have solved 5 for you. Next 5 you are going to solve for your own self. Let us start with exercise C. Now here we have to use all the 3 articles. A, N or the. Where do we use A? We use A before nouns starting with a consonant. What are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H. Okay, these are consonants. We use N before vowels. Now what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Okay, so we are going to use N before the nouns starting with vowels. And where do we use the? We use the when we talk about particular things. Okay, so let us start with this exercise. This exercise is about Nathu, who is the owner of a sweet shop and what he does with the children. So let us start. Nathu was dash owner of a sweet shop. So Nathu was the owner. Why the owner? Because we are talking of a particular sweet shop. He is an owner of a particular sweet shop. So that is why we will write THE, the. Nathu was the owner of a sweet shop. He kept a lot of sweets. Why a? Because L is a consonant. Okay, so he kept a lot of sweets in glass jars. But when little children came to ask him for sweets, okay, जब छोटे बच्चे आते थे उससे sweets मांगने, what he used to do? He chased the children away. Why the children? Because we are talking about particular children who are coming to him for asking sweets. Okay, बस उन्हीं बच्चों के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Only those particular children who are coming to him for sweets. That is why the children. Whenever a child, okay, whenever a child, C is a consonant, okay, so that is why a child. Whenever a child asked for a sweet, okay, S is a consonant, so that is why the answer would be a. Whenever a child asked for a sweet, the unkind man. Why the unkind? Why not an unkind man? Because we are writing the here because we are talking about this particular man who is unkind to children. Okay, so that is why the answer will be the unkind man said, do you have a 1 rupee coin for the sweet? No, off you go then. Okay, he ate all the sweets himself. Okay, so again the. Why again the? Because we are talking about the particular sweets that he used to eat himself. Okay, one day the children made a plan. P consonant, that is why a. Okay, a plan to teach Nathu a lesson. Why a? L is a consonant, that is why a. Okay, so the last exercise for this chapter, fill in the blanks with the correct options. So blanks are given and here the options are given, whether the words will be with using the or with not using the. Okay, you have to see what will be the correct option here and you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, let us start. The Titanic was dash expensive luxury cruise ship in the world. Okay, so it was one of the most expensive luxury cruise ship in the world. So we will use the most. Okay, why the most? Because it was one of the most expensive. Okay, so the most. The most. Second one, the blue whale is dash creature in the world. Okay, so the blue whale is the biggest. Okay, because it is the biggest creature, no other creature is as big as the blue whale. Okay, so it is one of the biggest creature in the world, so the answer will be the biggest. Third one, dash is made from a special seed of the cacao tree, so it would be chocolate, not the chocolate. Okay, it will be only chocolate because there are many chocolates which are chocolate is made of cacao tree only, so there is nothing special in it, that is why only chocolate. Okay, fourth one, the lion is dash of the forest. Okay, so the lion is the king of the forest because no other animal is the king of the forest, only the lion is the king, that is why the king. The lion is the king of the forest. Why? Because only the lion is the king of that forest, no other animal is the king of the forest. Okay, fifth one, I always take dash in the morning. So I always take a bath in the morning. Okay, you take bath only once. Okay, so I always take a bath in the morning. Now rest 6, 7, 8 and 9 you will have to solve for you.